Today I'll teach you how to use SqlDataReader in Windows Forms application. So let's start. So the very first thing, I'll open Solution Explorer, and from there I'll be opening the form. Now I'm adding a DataGridView to the form. Let's move to the code behind. We'll start by adding some namespaces. So the very first namespace is system.collection.generic, then system.data.sql client. So the very first thing, I have created class customer. Here I'll be creating some properties. You need to make sure the name of the properties should match the names of the fields in the table. First column is customer ID. The second column is name. The third property is an country. So here I have created a string variable, and inside that I am reading the connection string from the web.config file. I have created an object of SQL connection class, and I have passed the connection string variable to it in the constructor. Next I am creating an object of SQL command class, and I am passing the SQL query of SQL connection class. Now I am creating a generic list collection of customer model class object. Here I am making use of SqlDataReader to fetch the records from the database table. The SqlDataReader is generated from executeReader function of the command class. The SqlDataReader is created inside the using clause so that it is disposed automatically after the task is done. The records of the database table is read inside the while loop, which will run until the read function of the SqlDataReader returns a record. Inside the while loop, the data is wrapped in a customer model class object and inserted into the generic list collection created earlier. And finally, we will assign generic list collection to the DataGridView data source so that DataGridView can be populated. So with this, we complete our programming part. And now it's time to run our project and see it in action. As you can see, the DataGridView is now populated using generic list collection. With this, we come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Goodbye.